not aware, I will do some quick introduction. I will add some link under this video so you know more about NFT. I wanted to show you which platform I'm using. So it's really simple to do that. First, you need to go on this website. It's called voice.com. So I'm sharing my screen. Hopefully you can see it. And what you have to do is really create an account. It's free, and you get a commission each time you sell your NFT. So go on your this website, create your account, enter your email, your name, and I think you have also to submit your ID to verify your identity, but it's really simple. So I don't know if this platform is working outside the US, so I wanted to just show what you can do today if you're an artist based in the US and you want to sell your artwork as an NFT. So it's another way to sell your artwork. You still keep the copyright, your right of your work. You just like selling your NFT on this platform. It's like selling a print. So I wanted to show you. So once you created your account, you will have access to your back office, I would say. So you go on here and you create your first NFT. So what you will have to do is upload the file, make sure it's a JPEG, PNG, GIF, video. You have different format for that, or you can also upload MP4, or you can upload a movie or a PDF. So the maximal size is here, 100 megabits, and you have 500 uploads. So I didn't get that yet, so I don't go into much detail on the third point, but it's a really simple process. You know, you have 4 steps in this, in creating your NFT. So first you create, second, you add some description about your NFT, and if you have some collaborator on this NFT, you can add them as well. And the fourth step will be to review and validate what you enter. So for my NFT, I use my design name, called Icubix, IKUBIX. So you can choose your artist name if you want. So what you will have to do is to upload the file here. So I'm going to do that to show you how it's working. And I have some file already prepared. So I highly recommend that you get your work ready in 72 inches and PPI. So it's ready to be uploaded. You can add your names, year, as well as a description, what on the size also of your work, and you just select your work and download it here. You can also do a drag and drop. So it's really simple. So it will show you the file name, the media type, the size of your file. So you can decide to sell it as a single. So you can sell this work as a single NFT, one unique work, or you can do also an edition. I will show you as a single because I want to make it simple today. And you also have to accept this, and if you are the author of this work, so you just check this checkbox. If you are not, you won't be able to sell your work as an NFT. So please make sure you create the work, you are not using someone else's work. Make sure your work is original. So after that, you can see a preview of your NFT here. So I'm going to click continue. Here you can enter the name of your work. So I forgot the name of my work. So I'm going to copy paste this here. So you can do the same. I click continue. I enter this name in the description. I'm going to copy the title here. So it's figure. I'm going to remove the dash between and add a comma instead, and add a space where I need to. So it's a graphite ink on paper, and here is the size. So it's simple. When you have already, I really highly suggest that you write the name of your file. So you just have to copy paste after. So it's really simple. Do you want to unlock the content? So I'm not sure I did anything right there, but no, I will say nothing. And you click continue. So here you are on the third step, sorry. So I see myself as a creator. If you have a co-creator, you can add the person here. So my creative contribution is 100%, and here it's a 20%. You can each time you sell your an NFT is sold for greater value than previously recorded, percentage of that appreciation is distributed to each creator. So I mean, each time this work will be sold as an NFT, you will get commission on it. So after that, everything's really good. So I validate on continue. And here I can review the details of my work. So I can see, just verify the information are correct. And after you are done, you can look at the term of the service. And each time so when you submit this work and when you sell this work, you will be charged a 5% fee on the first sale and a 2.5% fee on other sales. So I click agree. What I like about Voice is you can create your NFT. It didn't ask you to pay anything. So right now I just adding all my work or everything I found interesting that I want to sell as an NFT. So I wanted to show you that. So now the next step that I'm going to do is to list this work as an NFT on Enterprise. So you can decide to sell it as the auction, or you can decide to sell it as a fixed price. So today I'm going to show you how to sell it as a fixed price. You decide of the pricing that you want to do. So I'm deciding that all my work at this size, letter size, will be sold for $125 US. So I click continue. And here you can copy a link. Your NFT is now available to sell on this platform, and you can share this link with your community or your, I want to say, your audience, your collector. So I wanted to show you that. So now you can see I've created already 30 NFT. And so I didn't buy anything yet, but I wanted to show you what I have. So I have a lot of my work there, and I'm going to add more. So I think it's an interesting platform. It's a great way for artists to do some additional income, create some additional revenue for your business. So I really recommend this platform because it's really easy to use and really easy to create your own NFT. So I'm happy to share that with you today. It was a quick live. If you have any question, drop in your comment below. I will add some link so you can look at for yourself, and I hope you will share your experience using this platform and you will create your own NFT. So thank you for watching.